Hello, today we will be studying clay and clay products. Clay is the most important raw material used for making bricks. Bricks, as you know, it is the most common material. Uh, these are all the points that we are going to cover in the today's presentation. First, we'll start with clay. Clay is a naturally occurring mineral that is found almost everywhere on the earth. It is the basic raw material for ceramics. It is soft, moist, and earthy material made from eroded rocks. It is available in many forms. Few of them are potter's clay, brick clay, bentonite clay, and fire clay. These are the four types of clay which we are going to discuss in this presentation. Potter's clay. Potter's clay are finely dispersed secondary earths largely consisting of clay minerals such as kaolinite and hydromica with more or less quartz, feldspar, iron oxide and carbonates. What is redeposited? First, you know how clay is deposited on the seashores, under the beds. It is deposited and then again redeposited. A Potter's clay is used to manufacture face bricks and tiles, hollow tiles, roofing tiles, drain and sewer pipes, floor tiles, as a paving brick, terracotta articles, mezzolica, and various kinds of porcelain and earthenware. Next is brick clay. Brick clay is a secondary earth derived from sedimentary rocks. Potter's clay was redeposited material and this is derived from sedimentary rocks. Considerable varying in mineral and granulometric composition. They serve as raw material for clay and clinker brick. Masonry units, roof tiling, facing tiles, and expanded clay aggregates. They are also used in waterproofing as a waterproofing material in dams and road building. Next is bentonite clay. Bentonite clays are finely dispersed earths formed from chemical disintegration of volcanic tuff, ash, and lava. They are used as waterproofing and sealing materials in hydraulic and underground construction. They are also employed for reinforcing runways and roads, in manufacturing expanded clay aggregates, and as plasticizers for porcelain vases. Last that we are going to study is fire clay. Fire clays are finely dispersed earths consisting of kaolinite with quartz, feldspar, hydromica, and carbonates. They are mostly used to fabricate wall and insulating fire bricks, which are used in masonry and furnace lining, respectively. That is both in masonry and furnace lining. Fire clays are also used in porcelain, fence, and other ceramic articles. Now next comes clay products. Clay products form one of the most important classes of building material. Clay products, the raw materials that are used in the manufacturing of clay products is quartz, sand, slag, sawdust and pulverized coal. Structural clay products, or we can say building ceramics, are basically fabricated by molding, drying and burning of a clay mass. You must remember that higher the bulk specific gravity, stronger will be the clay products. However, this rule does not hold good for vitrified products since the specific gravity of clay decreases as vitrification advances. The bulk specific gravity of clay brick ranges from 1.6 to 2.4. Right? Now we are going to study a few clay products. They are bricks, clay tiles, terracotta, porcelain, stoneware, earthenware, and mezzolica. First, study bricks. Now, we all know what bricks are. Bricks, after wood and stone, of course, brick is one of the oldest building material. It is the most popular material. It is cheap, durable, easy to handle, It is used for interior works, for exterior works, for partitions, for piers, footings, for load-bearing structures, etc. Now, what is a brick? Brick is a rectangular. Brick is rectangular in shape, and its size is so that it can be conveniently handled by one hand. Brick may be made of burnt clay or mixture of sand or lime or Portland cement concrete, but clay bricks are commonly used since they are economical and easily available. The length of a brick, you may say the length of a brick is equal to 2 times the width of the brick plus thickness of the mortar. Mortar, what is mortar? When you join two bricks together, you join them by mortar. Height of a brick is the width of the brick. It has four parts: frog, stretcher, header, and bed. Size of the standard brick should be 19 into 9 into 9 centimeters. But ordinarily, like in UP, we are using 9 inches by 4.5 inches by 4.5 inches, or 9 inches by 4.5 inches by 3 inches. Now, this is all about bricks here. Next is potter's clay. Potter's clay are finely dispersed secondary earths largely consisting of clay minerals such as kaolinite and hydromica with more or less quartz, feldspar, iron oxide and carbonates. What is redeposited? First, you know how clay is deposited on the seashores, under the beds. It is deposited and then again redeposited. Uh, Potter's clay is used to manufacture face bricks and tiles, hollow tiles, roofing tiles, drain and sewer pipes, floor tiles, as a paving brick, terracotta articles, mezzolica, and various kinds of porcelain and earthenware. Now next comes terracotta. Um, Terracotta is basically an Italian word where terra means clay and cotta means burnt. Terracotta is a refractory clay product and is used to in ornamental parts of the building. The clay used for its manufacture should be of superior quality and should have sufficient iron and alkaline matter. By varying iron oxide and clay, desired colors can be obtained. The clay is mixed with powdered glass, pottery, and sand, ground to fine powder and pugged several times till it gets uniform and soft for molding. Terracotta is impervious, hard, and cheap. Where properly made of material weathers well and because of its glazed surface can be cleaned easily. The product is burned in a special kiln that is a muffle furnace. Terracotta is used for hollow brick blocks of terracotta that are used in masonry, cornices, arches, for ornamental works. As terracotta is fireproof, it can be used for casings of steel columns and beams. Porous terracotta is used for sound insulation. There are two types of terracottas: porous and polished. Next is porcelain. Last that we are going to study is fire clay. Fire clays are finely dispersed earths consisting of kaolinite with quartz, feldspar, hydromica, and carbonates. They are mostly used to fabricate wall and insulating fire bricks, which are used in masonry and furnace lining, respectively. That is both in masonry and furnace lining. Fire clays are also used in porcelain, fence, and other ceramic articles. A hard ceramic material resembling porcelain with a different color, usually grey or brownish. It is made of refractory clay mixed with crushed pottery, stones, and sand burned at high temperature and then cooled slowly. The clay used for making stoneware consists of about 75% of silica and 25% of aluminum. Iron oxide is added to give color. Stonewares are usually hard, compact, strong, and durable. They give a ringing sound. As you know, brick gives a ringing sound. Its uses is for light sanitary wares like wash basins, water closets, for drain pipes and fittings, road paving material, flooring tiles, cornices, wall tiles, etc. The next comes earthenware. Earthenwares are made by burning ordinary clay at low temperature and cooling slowly. To check shrinkage, sand and crushed potteries are mixed with the clay. This also increases the toughness, hardness, and strength of the ware. That is earthenware. It is used for manufacturing drain pipes, lavatory fittings, and lightweight partition walls. Next comes Mesolithic. Potter's clay. Potter's clay are finely dispersed secondary earths largely consisting of clay minerals such as kaolinite and hydromica with more or less quartz, feldspar, iron oxides and carbonates. What is redeposited? First, you know how clay is deposited on the seashores, under the beds. It is deposited and then again redeposited. Uh, Potter's clay is used to manufacture face bricks and tiles. More or less, however, we have studied, but still, applications of clay products. Various applications of clay products as a building materials are as follows. For wall material like masonry, common clay bricks, perforated clay bricks, ceramic, ceramics, wall tiles, clay tiles. Next is facade decoration. It is by cladding. Facade decoration can be done by glazed and non-glazed varieties, by facing bricks, ceramic stones, floor ceramics, small ceramic tiles, etc. And next is flooring. The use of clay products in flooring by floor tiles. Interior decorations, there are a variety of interior decorations we can use. We can use porcelain, we can use terracotta, stonewares, earthenware. Mesolithic is basically interior decoration item. Next is roofing material. As we have studied earlier, it is used as a roofing. Clay tiles are used as roofing material. They can Allahabad tiles, pen tiles. Next is acid resistant lining. The examples are common acid resistant brick, acid resistant and heat and acid resistant ceramic shaped tiles for special purposes, ceramic acid resistant pipes and companion shapes. Sanitary items, as we have earlier studied, earthenware and stoneware and porcelain, they are used for sanitary items, and aggregate for concrete. This was all about clay and clay products in this session. Thank you.